To find the derivative of e raised to the power of 2x, which is a composite function, we will have to apply the chain rule. In general, when applying the chain rule, we first differentiate the entire expression without changing the inner function. Then, we multiply this result by the derivative of the inner function. Now, let us start solving this question. We know that the derivative of e to the x is still e to the x. Therefore, when we differentiate this whole term without modifying the inner function, we still get e raised to the power of 2x. Next, we multiply this by the derivative of the inner function, which in this case is the derivative of the exponent 2x. Taking the derivative of this 2x, we know that it simply equals 2 by using the power rule. Now, we are just left with multiplying these two terms together, in which we will end up with 2 multiplied by e raised to the power of 2x. And we found the final answer for the derivative of e raised to the power of 2x. It's just as simple as that. Okay, just in case that you're wondering how this is related to the formula of the chain rule, allow me to briefly explain. You might notice the formula consists of dy du and du dx. For this dy du, it actually means that when we replace the inner function with u, we get our function as y equals to e raised to the power of u. And when we tried to take the derivative of this with respect to u, we end up with dy du equals to e raised to the power of u. Remember that the u in the exponent was initially 2x, so we replaced the u with 2x. Now, notice that this dy du that equals to e raised to the power of 2x is actually the same as this part of the solution, which represents the dy du. And for this du dx, it actually means that when we let the inner function to be u, just like what we did previously, and we want to take the derivative of this with respect to x. So we will end up with du dx, which is actually the same as this part of the solution. In other words, when we are trying to take the derivative of an exponential function, just like in this example with e raised to the power of 2x, we first copy back the exact same thing as our original function. Then, we multiply it by the derivative of the exponent. And that's how we take the derivative of e raised to the power of 2x by using the chain rule. Drop a comment below if you are struggling with any part of the calculations. And of course, let me know if you have other alternative solutions to this question. I spent hours making videos explaining math topics, and all I ask for in return is simply to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.